Welcome to the online class. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am going to discuss about the English first paper. Today's topic, man and climate. Now, I discuss the topics, then I will try to answer some multiple choice questions. Here, this passage, first time we read this passage and discuss about it. The human can neither sense the sun's radiation nor the earth's orbit around the sun. Man or woman has no supernatural power to change the orbit, but and the radiation of the sun, but man can control the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases and its effect on the atmosphere. But man can control the increase amount of greenhouse effect by doing some awareness activities. Only during the last 100 years, the carbon dioxide concentration has been raised alarmingly in the atmosphere, and we human can be held responsible for this. Last 100 years, people use some device and they burn fossil fuels. For this reason, carbon dioxide has been generated alarmingly in the atmosphere, and for this reason we human are responsible for this. The main cause of increasing carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is the burning of fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuel and it emits carbon dioxide, and that is why burning fossil fuels is the main cause of increasing carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Since the end of 19th century, industrial activities increases rapidly, giving rise to many factories. From the 19th century, people established a lot of factories and mills in the world, and to run these factories need fossil fuels, and they create so much carbon dioxide. These factories required energy which was produced through the combustion. To meet or to run the factories need energy, and this energy is produced through the combustion. Combustion means start burning of coal. Besides coal, other sources of energy such as mineral oil and natural gas were also burned to heat our house, move cars and airplanes, or to produce electricity. In the modern civilization, people want to lead a comfortable life. To lead a comfortable life, people use various vehicles, motor vehicles and aeroplanes. To run these aeroplanes and motor vehicles, they use oil, petrol and gas. And for this reason, these gases, natural gases, were burnt. Or in other activities to heat their house, we use various natural gas, and for this the natural gas produce a lot of carbon dioxide that is very harmful for the atmosphere. Nowadays, about 85 million barrels of crude oil are burnt daily. At present, people use about 85 million crude. That means impure oil, unrefined oil, and they burnt daily. Every time a fossil raw materials is burnt, it releases carbon dioxide into the air. Every time people burn this kind of raw materials and emits carbon dioxide into the air. Therefore, it is clear that more and more greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are being generated worldwide by humans. By this sentence, we can understand that people use more and more greenhouse gases and generate carbon dioxide worldwide. Moreover, we are also strengthening the greenhouse effect by deforestation, which means cutting down trees. Besides these activities, we strengthening by growth greenhouse effect by cutting down trees a lot of. Every year, enormous areas of forests are destroyed by people to obtain wood, to clear regions for mining, and to create pasture. Every year, people want to satisfy their own interest. People cut down trees for creating pasture or for mining. For this reason, from the environment, fresh air is depriving. This loss of forest causes dual problems. The loss of forest creates two problems at a time. Trees that are burned down release a large volume of carbon dioxide gas into the air. Burned up trees release a large amount of carbon dioxide into the air. that is very harmful for animals. On the other hand, an important carbon dioxide storehouse is destroyed with the forest as forest absorb a lot of carbon dioxide from the air and deliver oxygen instead. Trees are the storehouse of carbon dioxide. Trees inhale carbon dioxide and they emit oxygen. That is very important for animals and living beings. We also destroy an important storehouse of carbon dioxide when we clean forest. So, at the last, we can say when we cut down trees, we destroy the storehouse of carbon dioxide. Now, we show you some multiple questions and try to discuss the answers. Here are some. Choose the correct answers from the alternatives. The main cause of it is the burning of fossil. Here it refers to greenhouse effect, global warming, oxygen, carbon dioxide. It means here it greenhouse effect. When did industrial activities increase rapidly, giving rise to many factories? 100 years ago, 50 years, 19th century or 18th century? Only one answer correct here, 19th century. The contextual meaning of the word concentration is submission. The submission means yielding to forces. That is not similar. Accumulation, something gathering, gradual gathering. A concentration means gradual gathering. Here the answer is accumulation. The greenhouse effect is by deforestation. Is here reduced? No, it is not correct answer. Affected? No. Correct answer, accelerated. It upgraded one place to upper places. So here the answer, the greenhouse effect is accelerated by deforestation. The driving force of industry is energy. Mining is necessary. Energy resources, a lifting of mineral gas, digging minerals out, development of the country, lifting up natural gas. What is the antonym of the word strengthen? Strengthen means growth. Emphasis, synonym, not the antonym. Tighten the synonym, harden the synonym. Only one word weaken the antinomy of the strength. Here the correct answer, weaken. What is the main cause? Sorry. Here the 7 questions. Now here are some questions. What is the main cause of increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. Greenhouse effect is the main cause of increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect greenhouse effect is natural processes that warms the surface, the atmosphere. When the sun energy, the sun rays reaches the earth and atmosphere, some of it absorbs and some rest of reflected. And absorbed heat warm the atmosphere and the earth surface. That is greenhouse effect. How is greenhouse effect strengthened? Greenhouse effect is strengthened by deforestation. Here the important questions: the loss of forest causes dual problem. Explain in 2 or 3 sentences. Burnt up trees emit a lot of carbon dioxide. On the other hand, when we cut down trees, when we cut down trees, we lose the storehouse of carbon dioxide. We inhale oxygen and emit carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide this carbon dioxide is absorbed by the trees. The deep loss by the deforestation. By the deforestation, we face 2 problems. We destroy the store of knowledge and increase the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. What is the main purpose of author of this text? The main purpose of the author of this text is to make the people conscious about the dangerous consequence of deforestation and the greenhouse effect. Here we discuss the questions and answer. Thank you everybody. We will discuss next class about another topics. Goodbye.